In the area of weldNet software solutions, we are displaying our capabilities of welding software that are tracking the data of welding machines, but also a huge database, the so-called material manager, that allows you to look up specifications, material data sheets of steels or any base material, and also for sure our welding consumables. In the area G, where we are presenting the 𝗥𝗲 Flux-Cored wire portfolio, another outstanding innovation we achieved with the 𝗕𝗥𝗱𝗆 and 𝗕𝗥𝗲 series to significantly reduce hazardous welding fumes with the low alloy types of 𝗕𝗥𝗱𝗆 420 and 460, the metal cord and the rutile cord wire, together with a dedicated synergic program on the machine that achieves significant reduction of welding fumes and manganese content and chromium-6 content in the welding. Here in the area of UTP Surface Protection, we are showing how we are contributing to sustainability by repairing instead of reproducing parts. Here we are displaying an impeller from a pump that is repaired with an UTP stick electrode, UTP 65D, and a dedicated Flux-Cored wire that allows you to repair defected material after strong wear, after abrasion, and so on. In area E, a live demonstration of MIG welding of solid and Flux-Cored wires. The focus here is for clearly high strength materials. We have a huge portfolio of different solid and Flux-Cored wires that allows you to weld different kind of high strength materials, 690 up to 1100 megapascal of yield strength, together with the welding machines and the wide portfolio of dedicated welding programs and synergic lines in order to make your life easier with the 𝗣𝗲𝗥𝗲. Here in our welding shop, we are displaying for sure all our portfolio of welding equipment, personal protection equipment like leatherwear, helmets, EPR systems, anti-spatter spray, and everything you need to protect the welder. And last but not least, the highlight of the show, we go to our collaborative robotic system. This is a completely newly developed collaborative robotic cell, fully enclosed with a built-in fume extraction system. It comes directly from us, or the welding table, the robotic arm, the power source, the welding consumables, the software, everything out of one hand. A great product, a true innovation, all made from 𝗥𝗲𝗱𝘆 welding. I hope you enjoyed the quick tour with me. If you want to know more, visit us at Hall 3 at Schweißen and Schneiden. See you soon. Thank you.